guy, what would you say are the biggest challenges you face with a complex cover-up project?
With the really large, complex cover-up projects, often the biggest challenge is simply keeping the client enthused and optimistic about the piece when you're in the earlier stages of it. Sometimes it's going to look worse before it looks better. So I recommend trying to make sure that you've got really good layout, the design is strong, and then in the early parts of the tattoo you are getting those important major shapes lined in there, the bold areas of shading in place, and whatever parts of the cover-up are the worst, those get addressed in the very first session. You want to make sure that the worst parts get addressed each time the person sits down with you, so that you get to layer over those bad areas and bring them to a nice finish. Because if you save the worst parts of the cover-up for later, you're going to just make yourself work a lot harder, and they might end up having to come in for more sessions than had been planned on. So if you manage it from the beginning, those challenging parts are going to end up coming to a nice sense of completion alongside the areas that might not have as much of a cover-up problem.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, click over here. To start from the beginning of the series, click down here. And if you want to raise the quality of your tattoos, you can click over here on this link.